how to recover Snapchat streaks after loss. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So to recover a lost Snapchat streak, you can use the in-app restore feature or submit a request to support or what you need is here. First of all, you could just go ahead and open the Snapchat app, tap the chat icon at the very bottom of the page. Now usually you have to look for a restore button or fire emoji icon next to a friend's name. Now as you could see here, I don't have these options. That means I've already lost my chances. If you are about to lose your streak, you will just be able to find these fire icon right next to their name. It says restore. All you have to do is tap onto it and then it's gonna restore automatically. That's the simplest thing you could do. However, when you don't have these options, you could simply go to Snapchat support. Tap the Bitmoji at the very top left, go to the gear icon, scroll down to the bottom. There you want to go to. You have these I lost my snap streaks. You could just go ahead and make sure to select that. And you will be able to find these instructions and you could go ahead and contact team as well. And another way of recovering your Snapchat streaks after loss is by paying certain amount in order to get a Snapchat Plus. So with that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.